here, we're gonna learn about chocolate, and we're also gonna learn a little bit about why is a circle, because a circle never ends. It means infinitum, right? The Mayan calendar has 19 months. 18 of them is divided by 20. So 18 times 20, 360. And the last one is divided on 5 days, and they call it Wayep. On this about chocolate, right? Now, to make chocolate, already been roasted. Have you seen the cocoa beans roasted before, or have you touched them yet? Touch it, smell it, to see, peel it. Peel it first. You're gonna grate this cocoa bean, and you're gonna peel it like a little peanut. You see this? Peel it like a peanut, and there's the cocoa bean inside. And once you smell it, over here, smell it. It smells a lot. It's like chocolate.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Does it smell good, madam?
Yes.
Am I explaining myself pretty good? This is the cocoa tree. I don't know if you ever seen a cacao tree before. Little flowers all the trunk. Now let me show you a cocoa pot of this tree. A big cocoa pot. Like a pepper, right? Remember how are them in the video? They're really big. And look at this one over here. Really, really small. As you can, this name of this tree is Teobroma cacao. This is the original name of this tree. Teo in a Latin language means God. Broma means food. So this is the food of the gods. Remember? Two doors, right? Why does it always have two doors? Because one to the east and one to the west. The east is where the sun comes up, and the west is where the sun goes down. That way they will have light the whole day. And Mayan people didn't have no fan, all right? That's new over here. Now, the Mayan people had the wall. The wall is covered all with red clay and mixed with grass. This is the Mayan air condition. Let me tell you that this is not a bad celebration. This is a celebration that we do to honor the people that have passed away from our family. You see? 1st of November is dedicated to the young kids. 2nd of November is dedicated to the older people. This is also divided on 3 levels, representing heaven, representing earth, and representing the underworld. Cilantro and tomato and a little bit of salt. Chili habanero if you want to, chili pepper. Spicy, you like spicy? This is a really traditional Mexican food. Blessing like this one. He's gonna say some words in a Mayan language. I don't know if you guys speak Mayan. Now, he's gonna say some words. At the end, I'm gonna explain to you what this means. You can go ahead and take a seat on the 2nd level. You can go ahead and take a seat. And you're gonna get a welcome, okay? Remember?
Malo ki, malo talike, talaglesh ki makinwol, tumen katalesh waye. Maye maye maye, maye maye maye, hey amma hey ya hey ya hey ya hey, hey amma hey ya hey ya hey ya hey. Titeche na lu'u, titeche jumile ka'a, titeche jumile ha, titeche jumile i. Inka akteche guom pa'a tale, que la maloku sheswi le makugo waye, kach yukesh geteg malop toholat. Ki makuum, saonesh, tahanesh, ashimbatonesh, jumbotik, aocha shimbat konesh weye.
Now, Somebody want to make the chocolate for me to see that it's really easy? Anybody want to make the chocolate? You want to try?
Sure.
Come over here. Have you made chocolate before?
No.
You tied it on the back, madam? Other one over here.
Oh, she got an apron on. Wow.
Up and down. Grind it, smash it so you can get cocoa powder. Exactly like that. The first thing that we're gonna add is gonna be allspice, because allspice, it's a natural preserving ingredient that it makes my chocolate and my food to last for a little bit longer. After this, we're gonna use cinnamon, because cinnamon gives the food a better flavor, so it's gonna give my chocolate a better flavor, and also will help me to reduce cholesterol. We use achiote. Do you know what achiote is?
No.
Achiote is called in Spanish, anato is called in English, or many people know it as paprika, right? This is where paprika comes from. This is not paprika. Why we're gonna use this? Because long time ago, the original Mayan recipe, they used to get a knife just like this one, and they cut themselves and they add blood to their chocolate. That's the original recipe.
Would y'all like for me to do that?
No, I'm really glad and proud to say that the Mayan people changed that recipe. They stopped using blood and they started using paprika only for the red color that symbolized the color of life for the Mayans. That's actually fast. You can make it back at home in less than 10 minutes. And as you can see, we didn't use no chemicals at all. So this is 100% organic chocolate. You know that another company, they only use a 10 to 15% of the cacao. You can read that on the back of the chocolate, right? And the rest of that is a whole bunch of chemicals. See that? You can take your gloves off. How was it, madam? It's not that hard, right, to make chocolate. Now, I'm gonna give you to sample your own chocolate. Let's see how you did it, all right? Let's see if we don't get poisoned.
That back there was better.
But it's your first time making chocolate, remember? Nice, right? Let me try it. I haven't tried it.
April probably didn't like it because you didn't taste the cinnamon.
Yeah.
I don't think you can.
I can taste this.
You can't taste the cinnamon? I can.